You may be wondering about the how and why regarding the way Riomax impacts fetal programming. Well, in this video, I will explain how that happens. Hello, I'm Trevor, founder and owner of Riomax, and I'm thrilled to be doing what we're doing in this wonderful industry. Here's what to expect from this video. How we actually impact fetal programming, how we measure that to know that we're doing it, and thirdly, we're going to discuss the compounding effects of good, sound nutrition. First, let's talk about how we impact fetal programming. In some people's minds, fetal programming may be sort of a hazy, confusing subject. For me, it was the same way until I started to see consistent trends. How we're impacting fetal programming is quite simple. Riomax's Escort mineral package is 100% protected. That means there's no sulfates or oxides in our key trace minerals. That then ensures that we give that mineral the highest scientific chance of getting into the bloodstream. And that is how we're driving the reproductive performance. That is how we're driving this fetal programming, ensuring the trace mineral gets into the blood. So it may sound simple. It's so overlooked in the industry by ranchers that are not aware of the reality of it. So now that we've discussed how it gets in, how we're impacting that fetus, and how we're programming, let's talk about what it looks like when it shows up. How can we measure it? Well, we have many examples where ranchers will tell us that their young cows are outbreeding their running age cows. In other words, their young cows are getting higher conception rates than their running age cows. That is completely backwards to what's normal. The young cows, they're not fully developed yet. They're still growing themselves. They carrying a calf. They may have a calf outside, depending what age we're talking about. But as a rule, young cows is where the industry sees more reproductive problems, lower conception rates. And what we're seeing in terms of tangible, measurable results is that the younger cows are coming in with a higher conception rate average. And it's in the case where that young cow has been on Riomax, which gets into the blood, since it was a fetus. Thirdly, let's talk about the compounding effects of good nutrition. Now, compounding effects of good nutrition is not just a Riomax thing. Compounding effects of good nutrition is a universal principle, and it's for real. You start using a sound mineral program that gets into the blood. The first year, they see great results. The second year, they see better results. And the third year, until you get to an example like I say now, where that heifer or young cow was on Riomax since it was in the fetus, and now it's starting to outperform those running age cows. Good sound nutrition is, without a shadow of a doubt, has compounding effects. To learn more about fetal programming and how it could impact your ranching operation, reach out to one of our team. We'd love to chat with you to see if this is a fit. Thanks for watching, and keep doing the right things to drive your economic model. Thank you.